watching Mining Headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murugan. We start here. Cobalt prices soared this week following a ban by the Democratic Republic of Congo of cobalt exports. Prices surged after the Eurasian Resource Group declared force majeure on deliveries due to the export ban. China's Wuxi exchange paused trading after prices jumped nearly 12%, while European prices also surged. Congo, which is the world's top cobalt producer, suspended exports for 4 months to control oversupply. ERG, the third largest producer in Congo, says it can't fulfill contracts from its metal coal operation due to the ban. Traders say the move has tightened supply, with Chinese sellers holding back on cobalt stocks. Congo's government will review the ban in 3 months and may introduce export quotas. Morgan Stanley expects copper prices to rise further as the U.S. considers new import tariffs. Despite a recent dip, copper prices remain 16% higher this year. Traders like Glencore and Trafigura are rushing to ship copper to the U.S. ahead of a possible tariff. U.S. copper prices have traded at a premium of up to $1,300 per ton, tightening global supply. Chile's copper output dropping 24% in January, and that added to supply concerns. Morgan Stanley says market fundamentals remain strong, with tightening inventories pushing prices higher. Indonesia is proposing higher mining royalties to support President Prabowo Subianto's spending plans. The new system would replace flat rates with higher levies based on prices affecting minerals like nickel, copper, and coal. With nickel and coal prices already at multi-year lows, some miners may cut production. Nickel ore royalties could rise from 10% to as much as 19%, adding cost pressure on smelters. Now, analysts warn the changes could impact Indonesia's dominance in the nickel industry. The government says the revenue is needed to fund major programs, including free school lunches. Franco-Nevada's arbitration case against Panama over the Cobalt Panama mine will be heard in October 2026. The mine's 2023 closure forced the company to take a $1 billion loss on its first gold-copper streaming deal with First Quantum. Panama's president, Jose Raul Molino, has signaled openness to restarting the mine, which once made up 5% of that country's GDP. However, he refuses to negotiate unless First Quantum drops its $20 billion legal claim against the government. Investor optimism pushed Franco-Nevada stock to a 52-week high, rising 2.1% in Toronto trading. Well, the mine's future now depends on lifting Panama's mining ban and overcoming political hurdles in Congress. Freeport McMoran wants President Donald Trump to classify copper as a critical mineral. Copper has been designated as a critical material by the U.S. Department of Energy, but the U.S. Geological Survey, which maintains the official list of critical minerals, has not yet added copper to its 2022 final list. CEO Kathleen Quirk says the move could unlock $500 million in tax credits for the Freeport company under the Inflation Reduction Act. The company hopes Trump includes copper in his upcoming mining plan. And that's where we leave your mining.com stories for now. Bye-bye.